Hello everyone and welcome back to Fun Mathology. Today's topic is HCF, highest common factor. It is also known as GCD, that is greatest common divisor. So we'll take up, there are four methods we'll show. In today's lecture, I'll show you the first two methods, and in the next lecture we'll show you the other two methods. So in this lecture we'll show the first one, the listing common factors method. So this is the first one, to find out highest common factor, or HCF, or otherwise also known as GCD. Now please remember, numbers which divide two or more numbers exactly are called common factors. Got it? So let's see how to list down common factors of two or three given numbers. Let's say we have been given 24 and 48. So we have been asked to find out the HCF. So what you need to do, find out the factors of 24. So I have shown you previously how to find it out. So the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Go ahead and write down the factors of 48 as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 48. Now you can see that we have listed. So listing common factors means we are listing all the factors of 24 and 48. That is the given numbers that we have taken in the first example. So we have listed down. Now circle down the common factors between these two. So 1 is common, 2 is common, 3 is common, 4, then comes 6, then comes 8, then comes 12, then comes 24. So these are all the common factors. But out of these common factors, which factor is the highest among these? So you can see 24 is the highest common factor. Got it? So 24 is the highest common factor. So we can write HCF of 24 and 48 is 24. Very simple. So if you get three numbers, so do in a very similar way. Find out the factors of first, second and third, list them down, circle the common factors, and the HCF will be the largest among the common factors. Got it? So let's move on to the second method, that is short division method. Short division method. So what is that? So we'll take up three numbers. Right? And we'll try to show what is this method all about. 96, 108 and 144. So we have been asked to find out the HCF of 96, 108 and 144. So to find out HCF using short division method, so we divide all the numbers by a common factor, and we will continue this process till we cannot find any common factor. Let's see how. So we have been given 96, 108 and 144. So we'll start with 2, right? So 2 is common factor between these three. So 48, 54, 72. Again we'll see 2 is the common factor among these three. So go ahead, divide them by 2. So 24, 27, 36. Next, now 2 is no more common, so we'll move on to the next prime number, that is 3, 8, 9 and 12, right? Now we'll stop here. Why? Because among these three there are no more common factors. There has to be common factors between these three, not 2. not 1, not 3, not 4. The numbers depends, the common factors depends on the number of numbers. So there are 3 numbers, so there has to be common factors between these 3 numbers. Got it? Not between the two, any 2 will not do. So we'll stop here as there are no more common factors. So we'll stop the division here and we will take only these 3 as the factors. So HCF of 96, 108 and 144 is 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. So in a very simple way, you can find out the HCF of 2 or 3 given numbers by these first 2 methods, is listing of common factors method and the short division method. I hope you understood. If you have an issue, let me know. I'll try to solve them as soon as possible. Well friends, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye. We'll meet soon.